This video is going to show you how to create a Thinglink image and then upload that image to Padlet for a discussion. So here I am, I'm in my Thinglink student account. I've already joined a group. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create. Once I click on create, it'll allow me to upload from many different places. I actually downloaded the file onto my computer, so I'm going to upload. So I'll choose the prompt that I am choosing to annotate. Once it's uploaded, this screen will pop up. Open editor. So it allows me to create a title for my image. And since I'm looking at the Florence Kelly speech, I'm going to call it Kelly Annotations. Then when I actually want to put annotations on here, I'm going to click next to the part of the passage or wherever on the image. Now if you were choosing an image, you would be anywhere on the image, but our image is actually text. So I'm going to click next to the text so that my icon doesn't cover the text. So I'm going to click here. I already have my icon set to a magnifying glass because I'm closely reading, so I think a magnifying glass is a good option. I could put a link somewhere else, but we're annotating with text, so text is what I want. Let's just put in here, this is my first annotation. Obviously, your annotation should be analysis, but I'm just trying to show you the process. So this says, this is my first annotation. Then I'll save the tag. Say I want to make another right here, and I want a different icon. Maybe I don't want the magnifying glass because I'm not closely reading. Maybe I want to talk about the structure of the essay. So I want to choose a house. That makes sense for talking about structure of the essay. So then this note talks about structure. Obviously your note should actually talk about structure, but again, this is just a sample. So I'll save my tag. Then let's say that the whole thing is annotated. I know mine isn't, but let's say I have the whole thing annotated, and then I'm going to click save. Once I click save, it actually gives me an option to share my image. It even says share with your friends. So I'm going to click share. Then I'm going to take this link, I'm going to copy it, then I'm going to open up my Padlet account. I've already signed in. Then I'm going to create a new Padlet. When I create a new Padlet, all I need to do to add my Thinglink image to Padlet is double click the middle of my Padlet discussion. So then I'll put Kelly Annotations, and then I'm going to insert the image, click add. It takes a second for it to load, so be patient. And it shows up really tiny, so you're actually going to need to enlarge your image. So wait until you see the little arrow like that. Then we'll make it large enough so that whenever your classmates are having a discussion on your annotations, they can actually see the text. Then, if I click outside of here, so say somebody's coming to my Padlet discussion because I gave them this link. Anybody with this link can make a comment on your Padlet account. So your classmates will come in and they'll click so they can view the page. Now they can't make comments right here because this is where they view the page. They can see all your annotations from here. If they want to make comments, and they should make comments, they'll come back here and they can put in, so we have student, obviously you'll put your right name. I think you need to reconsider your first annotation because it does not really address the topic that the author discusses. Okay? Maybe you don't want your classmates to be able to put their comments wherever they want. If that's the case, when you've created your Padlet and before anyone has commented, you can click on Modify this wall. Then you can click on Layout. From here, you can actually click on Stream, and that allows all of the comments are actually placed one after the other. Maybe I want a wallpaper. I don't want just this normal gray background. Maybe I want bamboo as my background. So then, click out of here. Anytime one of my classmates double clicks anywhere on the screen, their comment comes right after the person before them. And there you have it. So now the whole Padlet discussion is here. All of my classmates have commented on it because I've gone through the passage with them. Now that the whole thing is commented on, this is the link that you are actually going to post to Edmodo.